Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. So in my this particular video, I am going to discuss how we can use drop down menu in MATLAB graphical user interface. So I will simply write guide in comment window. This particular window will be open. Click on OK, right? Make this bigger and here it goes. Here you can see pop-up menu, okay? Just drag and drop it. Here I will make this bit bigger, right? I can keep this in lower part, also in the middle part like this, okay? And here I will be taking two axes. One is this one and one more we will be taking here, right? Two axes, right? All right, so what we'll do, we'll click on pop-up menu, okay? Property inspector. Here I can increase the font size to maybe 20, okay? Here in the string, here you will be getting this kind of component. Click on this. Here what you want to show you, write that. Suppose I want to give the option that whether you want to say original RGB image or grayscale or binary, right? So color image, first option, then grayscale image, then binary image, okay? Like these three options I am giving, and click on OK. If you want, you can change the tag. I am not changing. Close this and save this. As soon as you will save this, okay, so I can give drop down, drop D. I can give the figure file name and save, and then and there one new m file with dropd.m will be created. No need to think about anything much, okay? MATLAB will be giving you the help to write the code if you don't know the inbuilt function or forgot the inbuilt function, okay? Go to pop-up menu callback, which function will be executed when you click on any particular, when you select one particular one from the drop down, okay? Here in the hints part you will be getting everything. So here we have to write, okay? So what I can do, I will be reading one image, a equal to im read apple.jpg. I have taken this image from internet, then axis, then handles.axis 1. So in the first axis I am always going to show my original image, and in the second axis I will be showing based on my option, okay? Whatever option I will be giving. And how to get the option? See here in the hints part clearly written get h object value. Just copy this and paste it here, okay? Val equal to control V, right? Then you can apply switch case, you can apply if else. I am using if else. If val equal to 1, then what we will be doing? Else if val equal to 2, right? Else we have to do something, okay? So what I will be doing, I will be simply copying this particular part of the code. If val equal to 1, I am going to convert this image, okay? No need to read two times. I am going to show RGB to gray, right? And if val equal to 2, what I will do, I have to show binary. So I'll be writing like this, and IM binary is already discussed in thresholding part, right? So IM binary is used for global thresholding. If we don't mention any threshold value, MATLAB will by default set, right? If else if, okay, sorry, here actually if value equal to 1 we need to show original image, right? And if value equal to 3, then we need to show binary one. Just I need to paste this, remove this part, and just copy this to this place, and here original image you just show. And this axis will be second axis. In the first axis always our original image will be shown, right? Copy this, paste. Hopefully this should work. Save this, run the code, and here you will be getting like this. So click on color image, you will be getting color image only. Here always you will be getting color image. Here either color image will be shown or maybe grayscale or maybe binary image based on user choice from the drop down. Click on this. I am choosing grayscale image. See here grayscale image is showing, but this is color image only always. So I want to show binary one. See binary one is showing. So this is how this drop down basically works. No need to remember anything. You just keep this concept in mind that this is the pop-up menu. Put that and then go to property inspector and then go here and give the values whatever you want to show. If you want, you can change the font size also, like I have changed, and the help part, from the help part you have to just need it and get the value. That's all, right? So I hope you have understood this. This is all for this video. If you have enjoyed and find this video helpful, then please like, share and comment. Subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed till now, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. Thank you.